You're watching Paul Lee RC Workshop. So first of all, can I say thanks for tuning in. Now, I set this channel up in 2016. In 2018, I got PTSD and I've been ill for like 4 years, 5 years, and I've not been feeling very well. But I've actually got back into RC now. I'm feeling really good, and yeah, so this video is an unboxing of the FTX Outback Mini 3 RC car 1 in 24 scale rock crawler. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Boxing Queen demolished the box. Naughty little girl. Right, so you see my maniac ripping up my cardboard box, and I couldn't vlog while she was making all that noise. So what we've got here is a FTX Outback Mini 3. The first one that I had was an FTX Outback Mini 2.0, and yeah, I just weren't keen on it. And I was looking around and looking on Amazon, and I seen these. So what I did, I returned it to Amazon, and within 30 minutes of dropping it at the Every shop, I got the refund. So then I went and bought this for the same price. It's got a bit better reviews, a few better specs, and yeah, I just prefer the look of this. And flows pacing up and down, if you can hear any pitter pattering. So let's look at the box. So get it a bit closer. Okay, so you can see here 2.4 gigahertz, 4-wheel drive, shaft driven, BR, 99% RTR, that's ready to run. You can see on the side the different colours you get. So that's the back of the box showing a bit of info. But what we want to do, we want to get it opened. Flo's patiently waiting, but she's not chewing this box up. Out of the way, come on, jump down. Look, you're knocking the camera. If that goes over and breaks my phone, I will not be very happy. Now stop it. She's a pain. Right, okay, so here's the rock crawler. Have a closer look in a minute. Here's the controller, FTX. See, this has got speed settings on it, what the 2.0 didn't have. You can see there, the manual with a USB lead. So we'll read that manual, we'll get it on charge, and I'll catch up in a bit. Where's that maniac gone? Right, okay, so I've got it on charge. I've took the shell off. There's the pins, heavy pins. So you can see, high power OSO micro motor, FTX. So there's the battery, it's LiPo, and it's on charge with my portable power station. That's a AO Caden power station that I got off Amazon. So see how long it takes to charge and catch up in a bit. Right, okay, 40 minutes later, it's finished charging. So looking over it, it is really good. So I went on Amazon, and it was actually £1 dearer than the 2.0. So I got it from Amazon, but the seller is Jadlam Toys, I think that's right. I'll pop the name up now. They're a UK shop as well, so you can buy it from their shop. So I went on my shop and looked, you can buy all parts for this, so that's pretty good. Right, I'm charging batteries now for the hand controller. It takes AA batteries, and they go in the bottom. So I'll have to look at my manual what all these settings do. Obviously they're the trim. The shell or the body is quite good. Looks nice. Okay, so that's a AA batteries charged, and the EPL, that's an Amazon brand with budget rechargeable batteries, and an EPL charger, what's a USB charger. Looks like it takes two. So this is the correct way the batteries go in. There's no little label inside showing you which way we're going, and also the manual is for a different controller. I think this is an upgraded controller, so we're going that way. Okay, let's do some driving. So first of all, turn on my transmitter, turn on my car, get the car lined up. It's on setting 1. So as you can see, so that's setting 1. You're good at crawling and getting your wheels in the correct position. So this is setting 2. You can see a little bit faster. It's not dead fast because it's for climbing things. Bit better. To ride on the floor, I mean. So when you reverse, the brake lights come on. So when you go forward, the lights come on. And when you go in reverse, the back lights come on, the rear lights. Haha, I'm not very good with these wheel controllers. I grew up using the 2 sticks. Right, okay. So I've made a rock crawler course and I'm going to try it on that in a bit, but I'm going to wait till it gets a bit darker so the lights come in effect. Okay, so here's the RC crawler course. Now I've done some changes since my last video, and the next video I make is going to be about this RC crawler course, and it's going to be paper mache. That's what it's going to be about, but I painted it brown to try and get it rock-like, and yeah, it looks like a giant piece of poo, so not happy with that. Straight out of the bum. Okay, so here's cheeky girl. She doesn't like me RC cars, she doesn't like me RC helicopter, so she'll do one into her bedroom, but in about 10 minutes I'm going to drive the car and see how well it does on the course. Okay, because it's got 3 speed settings, so it should be much better, and this might not be very grippy at the minute, but I've got some sand to coat it in. Okay, so she's waiting, wondering what I'm doing. She's been a little bugger today, trying to pinch cardboard off the course, haven't you? Right, okay, so I'll put it in setting 1. Oh, I saved that one. Right, it's not doing it in... Oh, yes it is. Yes. Right, it might need power 2. Setting 2. So the Outback 2 couldn't even get up any of this because it was too responsive on the throttle. But it seems brilliant. Right, setting free. Oh, I'm stuck on my phone. Didn't realise. Right, bring it in setting free. Oh, too keen. So I thought I'd try the blue light, the LED light that I've got above the course. Right, let me turn it. Flow's just coming. Oh, I'm sorry, darling. And then run off. Where am I going? Oh. Yeah, this is miles better. So, what do I prefer? The Outback 2.0 or the 3? And the 3 is a big winner. Oh, we're stuck. Right, okay, so Flo's realised it's been moved and she's coming. This is the end of the video. It's long enough. It's been an unboxing, a test and a review of the FTX Outback Mini 3. So really good. I really approve of it. For £1 dearer than the 2.0. It's got miles better specs and it's just a better buy. So this is on Amazon from Jadlam Toys, and yeah, a real bargain. Really chuffed with it. So here she is. She's decided to come in. She's realised it's gone. So the next video is going to be on this course, like I said, and it's going to be paper mache. I'm going to cover it with paper mache, and I'm going to use my own recipe. That's water and flour. Simple, cheap recipe, and let's see how that goes. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful. You've been watching me, Paul Lee RC Workshop. Consider subscribing, hit the bell for future updates. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Like I said, I've been away for a while and I'm back now. So a lot of RC to show you. Okay, cheers.